Welcome to the new channel, MathsDoc. I want you to take your time and let's go through this question. Then at the end, I'll give you the new update for this year WASSCE 2026. Now let's look at this. We have this cyclic quadrilateral. Now you need to remember that the first idea is that the diagram has a cyclic quadrilateral in a circle, which is cyclic quadrilateral. And one of the rules in cyclic quadrilateral is that the sum of the opposite angles is supplementary, which is 180. So let's do that. So this angle and this angle is supplementary. So we have 2y plus 10 plus 2x plus 40 is equal to 180. So let's quickly simplify this expression. So we have 2y plus 2x, then 10 plus 40 will give you 50 is equal to 180. Then let's subtract 50 from 180, or subtract 50 from both sides. We're going to have 2y plus 2x is equal to 180 minus 50, giving you 2y plus 2x is equal to 130. So this is the first equation. Now the next one is that you remember another rule that the angle that sustained from the center on the tangent is twice the angle on the circumference that sustains on the same chord. So now assuming that this is the chord, it means this angle is twice the angle here. So in order to make this angle and this side to be equal, you have to also multiply this angle by 2. So it means 5x minus 35 is equal to twice 2y plus 10. And let's simplify that. We are going to have 5x minus 35 is equal to 2 times 2 is going to give you 4y plus 20. Let's group like terms. So we have 5x minus 4y is equal to 20 plus 35. And that will give you 5x minus 4y is equal to 55. Equation 2. Now realize that from here, we have two equations. So we can use any other simultaneous approach. Either we use the substitution method or the elimination. In order to use the elimination, it means we have to make one of the values or variables to be the same. So we can multiply the equation 1 by 2 in order to make one of them the same. So when you multiply equation 1 by 2, you have 2 times 2y plus 2x is equal to 2 times 130, giving you 4y plus 4x is equal to 130 times 2 will give you 260. So we have 260 here. So this is still equation 1. Let's assume it's still equation 1. And then also the second equation will still maintain it, but here make sure you write it to make them in line. So we bring the minus 4y here, then plus 5x is equal to 55. Now in adding them, you can add the two equations when you have to add them. So when we add, we have these ones gone. So we have 9x is equal to plus 55 will give you 315. So divide both sides by 9, you are going to have 35. S is equal to 35. Now if S is equal to 35, you can find y. Let's put it in equation 1. So 2y plus 2, what is x now? 35. So 35 here is equal to 130. So 2y plus 35 times 2 will give you 70. It's equal to 130. Then subtract it from 130. That is 2y is equal to 130 minus 70. 2y is equal to 60. Dividing both sides by 2, y is equal to 30. This simply means that x is equal to 35 and y is equal to 30. Now, the new update. Make sure you study hard on cyclic quadrilateral on circuit theorem, and then the tangent that forms an angle in terms of circle theory. Thank you.